Ini ya silakan. What's your name? Nurul. Oke, Nurul silakan panggil let's pray together. Get ready guys.
Yes.
Let's pray begin. Pay attention guys. Pray in. Okay. The materials today is recall text. But before we start, do you know guys what is recall text?
No.
Oh really?
Yes.
Level of content. In this meeting, we learn about the introduction of recall text, the type of recall text, structure recall text, and example. Anyone else to read this explanation? Can you read this introduction, please? Read. Yes, me. Yes, Nita. Silakan.
So, recall text is a text that tells a past experience or event with the purpose of providing information, entertaining, or documenting the event.
Anyone else to read this introduction? Yes, silakan.
Recall text is a text that tells a past experience or event with the purpose of providing information, entertaining, or documenting the event.
Oke, Dini silakan.
Yes. Recall text is the text that retells the past experience or event with the purpose of providing information, entertaining, or documenting the event.
Okay, the recall text is a text that retells a past experience or event with the purpose of providing information, entertaining, or documenting the event.
In the other.
What? I think it's wrong for you guys.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay.
Next is types of recall text. The first is personal recall. Recounts personal experience such as occasion or birthday. The second is factual recall. Is relates factual events such as scientific reports or news. The second one is imaginative recall, an imaginary story or dream. The last is historical recall. Is recalling historical or biographical events. Oke, sampai di sini ada yang ingin ditanyakan? Please. Read more these types of recall text. Personal recall is anyone else? Yes. Anyone else? Ask me.
Personal recall is about personal experience. So, like experiences.
Yes, experience.
Actual event is like the face, like news, records. So, objective one is imaginary or dream or fairy tale. So, historical event is history.
Terserah. Tahu yang anda tahu ya.
Yang mungkin personal economy karena saja dulu terjadi karena keluarga pribadi kita.
Yes, miss.
Yes, dia.
For me, personal like my first experience like
join the commit, like in volunteer, volunteer.
Yes.
That's a such most beautiful experience.
Okay. Great explanation, guys. And then, jadi personal record itu kan menceritakan tentang pengalaman seseorang.
Yes.
Yes, experience kan?
Yes.
Kemudian yang kedua itu factual record.
Fakta, Miss.
Iya, fakta. Jadi kayak semacam bagaimana contohnya di kehidupan kita. Ada yang tahu apa contoh dari factual record di kehidupan sekitar kita?
Cerita, Miss.
Yes, news. Apa lagi? Saifah apa? Menurut tak? Berita, catatan sejarah, ya biografi. Kemudian yang ketiga yaitu imaginative record atau cerita hayalan imajinatif. Ya. Contohnya kebetulan dari dunia fantasi, cerita fiksi. Ya. Yang ketiga, yang terakhir historical record. Ini menceritakan peristiwa sejarah dari tokoh-tokoh terkenal ya mas. Contohnya cerita tentang perang dunia kedua. Yes, okay. Next. Okay, the structure of context. The first is orientation. An introduction that explains who, when, where, and what is happening. The second is sequence of events. The series of events written chronologically. The third resolution, a process that consists in first impressions or relations on the event. Paham?
Yes, yes, yes.
This orientation is like a foundation that gives the reader an overview. The second is sequence of events. This part is the core of the story. We tell about the sequence of events, chronological, from beginning to the end. Use time conjunction like first, then, next, after that, and finally, to make the story smoother and easier to follow. And the last is resolution. This section is the conclusion of the story. Here we give our impression or reflection or comments on the events that have been to tell. This resolution gives the reader a final lasting impression. Example. Okay, next is example. This title is My Vacation to Bali. Orientation. In January 2025, I went on vacation to Bali with my friend and with my family. Sequence of events. The first day we arrived at Murarai Airport and checked in our hotel. On the second day, we visited to Kuta Beach and play in the sand. On the third day, we explored food and enjoy local food. Resolution. This vacation was very enjoyable and filled with unforgettable memories. Nah, berdasarkan dari contoh di atas, Sekarang. Ya.
On the fourth day, we stayed in a hotel to chilling, just chill because we are tired after 3 days living around Bali.
Anyone else?
To the park.
And then yes, I thought. And then on the fifth day, we get into Murara Airport to come back to my home.
Oh yeah.
Okay, what you did, guys? Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's the.
Iya.
Next is any question about the record text today, our lesson today? Okay, let's practice.
Okay.
Do you have a book English for Nusantara?
No, please.
Okay, you can see here.
Yes.
This clear?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, silakan. Di orientation ini ada yang perlu kalian tanyakan? Orientation Okay, explanation of frequent text. The structure is orientation. This part is the introduction to the story. Here we introduce who the character, when and where it happened, and what will happen. This orientation is like a foundation that gives the reader an overview. The second is sequence of events. This part is the core of the story. Here will the well we tell about the sequence of events, chronological from beginning to the end. Use time conjunction like first, then, next, after that, and finally to make the story smoother and easier to follow. And the last is resolution. This section is the conclusion of the story. Here we give our impression or reflection or comments on the events that have been to tell. This resolution gives the reader a final lasting impression. Example. Okay, next is example. This title is My Vacation to Bali. Orientation. In January 2025, I went on vacation to Bali with my friend and with my family. Sequence of events. The first day, we arrived at Murarai Airport and checked in our hotel. On the second day, we visited to Kuta Beach and play in the sand. On the third day, we explored Ubud and enjoyed local food. Resolution. This vacation was very enjoyable and filled with unforgettable memories. Nah, berdasarkan dari contoh di atas, mungkin adik-adik bisa tambahkan kalimatnya masing-masing. Maksudnya bikin kalimat tambahkan X.
Kalau kita tulis atau
Sekarang. Ya.
on the fourth day we stayed in a hotel to just chill because we are tired after 3 days living around Bali.
Anyone else? And then, yes, and then on the fifth day, we get into Murarai Airport to come back to my home.
Oh yeah.
Okay, what you did, guys, yeah? Oh, yeah, that's the
Iya. Udah ada aplikasi. Tidak ada aktivitas buat deteksi gitu. Seperti lama. Ada.
tapi tidak pernah juga.
Iya.
Tidak salah sih. Menyebar. Wow. Okay, then guys. Okay, next is any question about the context today, our lesson today? Okay, let's practice.
Okay.
Do you have a book English for Nusantara?
No,
Okay, you can see here.
Yes.
This clear?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, silakan. So in this structure, the structure context more be able to orientation. First is orientation and interaction that explain who, when, where, and what is happening. Jadi di orientasi ini sebagai pengantar cerita di mana memperkenalkan siapa saja tokohnya ya.
Yes,
Ya, tokohnya apa, di mana kejadiannya, kemudian setelah apa saja yang terjadi.
Yes, miss.
Nah, di sini tuh memberikan pandangan umum kepada pembaca. Jadi paham ya mengenai orientasi? Orientasinya. Oke. Yang kedua, sequence of events. Yeah, it's a series of events right chronological. Nah, di part ini inti cerita, jadi ada kronologinya ya. Nah, di sini kita menceritakan tentang kejadian serta kronologi dari awal hingga akhir. You can use the word like first, then, next, after that, and finally. For make your story friendly and easy, mudah to use, easy to understand your understand the reader. Yes. The last is resolution, closing that contains impressions or reflection on the event. Nah, di bagian akhir ini menutup cerita, di mana kita menyampaikan kesan, refleksi atau komentar terhadap kejadian yang sudah diceritakan. Ya, resolusi akhir kayak menjelaskan kembali bagaimana di sequence of events-nya. Ya, silahkan kerja ya. Oke. Ini saya di kertas juga sebenarnya. Provide information for social. Oke, dan guys, dan ya, oke. What? There is two tasks. The second task is make your recall text. Ya, coba. Oke, dan guys. Oke. The first is
The participants
participant
competition. They are Monita, Pipit, Ibu Kosma, dan Ibu Koma, and Sinta.
See, who can answer?
Me.
Yes.
The first one is put on, the second get ready, the third one is jump, the fourth is reach, and the fifth is cheer.
Yes. That's right. Okay. Part D. D. Anyone to answer D?
D.
D.
Dinita, Miss.
Dadian.
She won't eat first.
Dadian is sleeping.
Write the sentence.
Write the sentence.
Yes.
Write the sentence based on the correct seconds of a second race. Yes. Number one, Monita, Pipit, Sinta, Ibu Kosma, and Ibu Koma go to the starting line. They put on blah blah blah.
They put on the socks and got ready for the race.
Number three, who can answer? Number three? Number three, they blah blah blah. They jump.
They jumped
Yes.
as fast as they could.
Number four. Number four, guys.
Sita Amy.
Number four.
They reach the finish line.
Finish line.
Yes.
So number five.
Number 5, the audience cheers for the participant and the winner.
Winner. Okay. Keep applause for your day. Okay. The next task is the last task is let's practice make your recall text based the four types. The factual recall.
Okay,
One of yes. Choose one for from the four types. Can this types of recall text. Choose one. And can make your one paragraph.
One paragraph.
Yes, only one paragraph.
Okay, miss.
Do you have question, guys, about your class? You understand? Okay. Please work your task. Why? Yes.
Miss, can we move to the next page?
Next page.
I want to see the structure.
Oh yes, structure. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
The structure, orientation, a sequence of events, and resolution.
Thank you, miss.
Yes. Any question, guys? For the task? No.
For this time, nothing.
Miss Mathematics. This student is mathematics. Berapa paragraf nih? 17.
Iya, boleh.
3 saya. 2 lagi.
Saat Olivia, do you have a question for now? Okay, how about you, Asriani? Do you have questions? Yes, please. Have that, guys?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Okay, what your friends have?
Is it want to wait for all of them finish or?
Oh yes, finish?
Yeah.
And last Chandra, you finish?
Yes.
Okay, please read your recon text in front of the class.
Okay.
Time is yours. Yay! Right, okay. Okay, everyone, please.
Okay, so I wrote a personal contact.
Personal recon text.
Yes.
Okay.
So, my mom gave birth to my little brother on 2nd August 2021 in hospital. Me and my dad accompanied her to go to the hospital at around 7 p.m. And then later that day, at 10 p.m., she get into the delivery room. And a few minutes later, my baby brother finally arrived. I was so happy because he was healthy. He was such a cutie. That night, me and my dad, my mom also, got overwhelmed by the medical moments.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Anyone else? Please give comments about the recon text from item Dasti Chandra.
Very interesting.
Yeah, 5 star. 5 star from Anita. Okay. Ya, Asmi silakan. Oke. Read your. Be careful. Be careful ya. Be careful ya. Okay, Asmi.
My semester holiday. In the end of my first semester, my school decided to give students to have holiday for 3 months.
Wow.
I decided to come back to my hometown because I studied in city. In the way of my bag, I used ship, and the trip to my hometown take 2 days, guys.
Wow.
So nice.
When I arrived in my house, all members of my family were welcoming me by their happy smile.
Wow.
Very sweet.
Yes.
I was very happy for meeting them again for a long time. We did everything together, like have breakfast together in the morning, planted plants together in the garden, and have lunch together in the afternoon, and telling our experience in the night, and that was a very memorable story of my life, and now I miss them very much.
Thank you, Lasmi.
Thank you, Sister.
Okay, anyone else? Alivia? Chandra? Yes. This your Please pay attention for
Childhood. When I was 10 years old, I always read
recon text have four type. Have four type, and recon text is the text details past experiences or even purpose of provide information or documenting the event. Like this is. Thank you.
Yay!
Okay, to okay.
Same Miss. Miss,
Yes.
The type of recon text is for that are personal recon. It is like personal experience such as vacation or birthday or anything. Then, so the second is factual recon. The factual recon is related to the facts events or facts. The factual accident such as news like kebakaran, fire, flood. So the third is imaginative recon. It is an biographical event like Soekarno biography, Ainun biography.